Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger and J, and we are doing this series of Unlock Your Data with Data Cloud. And previously we have completed this module, that is Data Cloud Insights, and in our today's video we'll be doing this module, that is Data Cloud Insights using SQL. So we have already talked about that the insights of in the Data Cloud, that is the calculated insights and the streaming insights we can create either using the visual builder as well as SQL. So here we are talking about SQL and its some features. So let's get started. I'll open this module in new tab and let's start. We have 2 units in this, very short. So our first unit is learn SQL concepts. So we are learning some of the basic SQL concepts. So the terms they are talking about we are already familiar with, like data strings, data model object, foreign key, measure, dimensions and more. So SQL structure, if we talk about, we are having these three keywords involved, and mainly the two keywords, that is the select and from. So select chooses the field API name of the attribute and what calculation we want to perform, but from keyword identifies the object API name of the data source to which we want to search. Join keyword is optional, we don't always use it, but when we use it to search the data from another data source based on the specified criteria. We can even include where keyword as well as group by keyword to organize the categories or the measure we selected. Then there are some of the examples they have mentioned. You can go through it if you are able to understand. DLM here includes the data model object, I believe. So yeah, you can check those out, and then some of the where clauses, group by categories they have used. Then there are some of the data model objects such as party, product, sales order, engagement data, case data. So how it's used, the party DMO we used where it, because it defines what kind of relationship it is having with and typically customers. Party includes unified individual profiles which are often used in calculated insights. Then we have sales order, which can define revenues, opportunities, purchases or the sales order. And then we have case data as well, which define any logged issues or the support tickets. So SQL joins, we are having 4 type of joins, that is inner join, left join, right join and the full join. So inner join gets us the data if we are having the two data sources, that is the having both, if it will matching the criteria with both of the data, then it will give us those type of data, that is the common data. Left join is exclude the records we don't want from DMO2, but DMO1 will be having all the records, and from the DMO2 only the matching records. Similarly, in right join we will be having all the records from DMO2, but from DMO1 we will be having only the common records, and for full join we will be having both of the DMO's records. So then again there are some of the examples. We are having some of the formatting functions as well, such as round. We can round the specific value to a specific decimal places as well. So yeah, let's come to the quiz. Our first question is, which SQL keyword selects the DMO used in the query? First option is from, second option is group by, third option is where, and the last option is sum. So I believe from should be the correct answer. Second question is true or false. Calculated insights can be used to create new metrics and dimensions for the deeper understanding. So yes, it is. Let's check. And it is correct. Let's move on to the next unit of this module, that is the review SQL examples. So in this unit they have given some of the SQL examples for the calculated and the streaming insights. So you can see there is one example for the calculated insights, then another using the aggregate function, that is the count. Then we are having join as well as on, group by. Now we'll be having some of the examples for the streaming insights as well here in the similar way. So there is one major difference in the streaming insight and the calculated insight. The streaming insight includes the window commands. Here you can see window start, window end. But the calculated insights are lacking this, and this defines how our results are grouped in. Yeah. So let's come to the quiz directly. First question is, if a statement includes group by customer ID, what does it do? First option is organize the data based on the customer ID. Second option is search for matches based on customer ID. Third option is include outside data based on the customer ID. And the last option is find customers interested in joining a group. So first option should be the correct one, that is organizing the data based on the customer ID. Second question is, what does window.start do in a streaming insight? First option is identifies the windows of time to query the data. Second is identifies the type of window. Third option is identifies the start time of the time frame in the streaming insights result. And the last option is identifies how long the query should run. So I believe C option should be the correct one. Let's check, and it is correct. So we are done with this module, that is data cloud insights using SQL. Now we are having next module as insights builder in the data cloud. So stay tuned in our next video to complete this module. And for this module, connect data cloud to agentforce and prompt builder, I believe we have already done this project. So I'll just cross check this. If yes, I'll be pasting the link of this video in our next video, and then we can move forward accordingly. So yeah, if you like the video and if you learn something from this video, please like it and subscribe the channel. And you can let me know in the comment section if you are having any opinion, any doubts, any questions for me. And thank you. Stay tuned.